Want to know how to delete your account in MoonPay? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your MoonPay application. And now once you've done that here, you should be provided with this home screen right here. So once you are on this home screen, you should be seeing various options or various things you can choose from. So on the top right side, you should be seeing this gear icon. This is your settings icon. Just simply select it. And now once you select the settings icon here, you should be seeing various settings that you should be popped up with. So once you're there, here you should be seeing account that will be right below payment methods. So once you select your account here, on the bottom on the red text, you should be seeing delete my account. So just simply select delete my account. And now here you should be seeing a reason. You can just simply choose any other ones and then select continue, select yes, and then select delete account right here. And once that is done, your account should be deleted, and here it also says a terms and conditions. So make sure you have withdrawn your MoonPay balance, saved your recovery phrase, and much more. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and continue with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.